are some top tips when it comes to a UCAS Ffair event. You might not know what course to study when you attend a Ffair, but it's best to have 2 or 3 in mind as you can go around these courses and find which one suits you. Equally, we recommend you to think about where you would like to study. Do you want to be living in a big city or a rural location, or do you think a campus-based university will suit you? If you can, list down 5 different universities in advance before coming to the UCAS Ffair. You might want to visit more on the day, but this should be your minimum. Before attending the Ffair, make sure you speak to a teacher and find out your predicted grades and how many UCAS points they are worth. This can be done by going over to ucas.com. Some courses require Maths and English GCSE. Be honest with the university staff on the day, as this will ensure you'll get accurate information on the options which are available to you. Make sure to check your programme to see where the university stands are placed. UCAS will supply you with this and also a barcode which is unique to you. If you want to attend any seminars or talks, make sure you make a note of the timings and location within the venue. There are going to be many different stands and they're going to look very different to each other. This is where the institutions will showcase their branding, and it will be staffed by students, academics and other professionals. Don't be afraid to ask questions. There will be loads of staff, lecturers and student ambassadors on the stand which will be able to help you out, but don't worry if you don't want to discuss any private information such as obviously your grades or a disability. We're here to support any questions which you have towards us, and we'll help you and guide you to the right place and where you want to be. Some questions may you wish to ask: what grades or UCAS points do I need? What modules can I choose from? And also, what is accommodation like? Plus, an added bonus, some universities will be giving away some goodies in the UCAS Ffair, such as books, pens, pencils, etc. So make sure you have your code to scan and to get more information about any of the universities in which you visit on the day. Well, after the event, you'll receive an email from the universities in which your barcode was scanned by. It will include a little "thank you for coming to our stand today," and it'll also include important information about course details and any open days. If you've spoken to a university which has gotten you excited and curious about your future, then definitely book onto one of their open days. This will make you know all about the course and especially what the university has to offer to you.